Oh, yeah. Now this one is very delicate, so you don't want to touch it, but we'll pass it around. Let me get a guess. It's a metal. Okay, let's pass that around. Just hold the bottom of it. Okay, guesses about the metal. And I will tell you that if you've been sick, it's likely that you ate some of this.
Mercury.
No, that's very toxic. They used to use mercury for some diseases way back when, but not anymore.
Is it mica?
It doesn't start with an M. Starts with a B. No, bronze is an alloy. It's not a pure metal. It's a very heavy metal. It is the heaviest metal that is not radioactive. Although that's no. But you got the right. You got a B. Huh? Beryllium. No, beryllium I wouldn't have because that's super toxic. Okay. Anyway, it's element number 83. It's so mildly radioactive that you need a special chamber just to be able to see a few disintegrations. Bismuth.
Ringo.
So Pepto-Bismol is made with this. Something like 76% of the mass of the active ingredient is bismuth metal. It's essentially completely non-toxic, which is rare because to the left of it in the periodic table is lead, on the other side is polonium.
And it just forms this kind of shape.
If you cool it a special way, it'll form these crystals.
Taking in the metal help with gastric.
Nobody knows. Yeah, why does it help? Nobody knows. It works. And the only thing you can get from an overdose of bismuth is gray gum. It's all the same. Okay, let's take a look at those very pretty bismuth crystals. Let me move them around a bit. They're truly iridescent, and it's the same kind of colors, interference colors, as you get from an oil slick on water.
I was wondering what would happen. Could you smash an ice paper towel?
Well,
There's only one way to find out.
only one way to find out. Okay. I brought gloves by those needles right now. Let's see what else we have. Magnetism, remember we did dropping the marble and then the magnet. Okay, this stuff, which, this is the reason I brought the paper towels, is ferrofluid. It's basically brake fluid with magnetic particles suspended in it. But I'm going to, I'm going to put this in the disposal bin. Okay. So it's basically like an oil, and of course it's dark reddish brown. You know, I think I once had cod liver oil, but I don't remember. It looks pretty disgusting. Where did we put the magnet? Ah, there it is. Okay. So, since it's magnetic, or the particles in it are magnetic, it responds to a magnetic field, but in a way you don't expect. So you actually have to get close to it. Ready? Whoops. And the response to this strong magnetic field, oops, careful with that, represents another interesting phenomenon in science. You ever touch it? Yes. You will get greasy.
Ready for a nap?
In a minute. Okay, okay. By the way, I can make it climb up the side.
You want to go to our house?
Okay, this refers to something called symmetry breaking in physics, which is involved even in high energy physics. And what I do not want to do is get this on the edge, because then it will stick to the magnet and I'll never get it off. See, it's pretty. Yeah. Yeah. And then carefully I'll pour that back in. Oh. Okay, here we have the very messy ferro fluid. I'll pour it in here. And I will now use a magnet. Whoa. Look at those patterns in there. They're fascinating. Again, that's the symmetry breaking. This is a pretty uniform magnetic field. And we didn't have time to go into symmetry breaking. Liquid crystals.
Whoa.
Okay.
This is the latest one.
But
you said you're
going to
get
it. So on.
I need that.
And their property is that they molecules align in a certain way.
This is where they are.
And possibly an electric field.
Okay.
So in a computer, it's based on
That's okay. You know where they are in case you need them, okay?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So if you can touch that and it will change color, because your hands, presuming you're alive, are hotter than the surface of that. So it's going to change from the color of the background. But you don't have to push it, just hold it. Okay, many of you may have already seen a liquid crystal pad like this. I'll put my warm thumb on it, and you see the change in color. It's just changing the orientation of the molecules, therefore the light that it reflects.